Hey, it's TMD Tasha Dyer, guys. And look, I'm excited because here we go. We are really here upon the presidential election. And what we know is that when we're trading, we do look at the news. Now, this one is going to be a little bit more significant than our normal red folders. And that's really because of the simple fact that this is something that happens once every 4 years. You have different hierarchies, different levels of what you're looking at when you're looking at the news and the fundamentals and how it actually impacts the market. Now, as we're looking at this, right, you can see why do I care as a trader for the most part? And it's going to strengthen or weaken the US currency, which is going to impact us globally. All right. So I just want to say it here first. I'm not taking any trades until after the election. Now, one thing I wanted to point out is I've watched this all morning. Now, this shows an imbalance in our dollar strength. Okay, when we're looking at it, now this obviously is not what we use. We use market structure, but we do reference this to look at the strength and the weaknesses and the stability of the market. And when we're looking at our US dollar, okay, you see as our counter currency, quote currency, there's no, there is, it's no, it's not the same pretty much is what I'm getting at. You see the dollar is strong or it's weak, right? And this is where it's sitting in the same place. And as you notice, I'm sitting here on my 4 hour chart. And then of course, right here where I have my US as my base currency, I'm getting a sell, which should be different. And like I say, I've watched this change this morning several times where it was balanced, imbalanced. It's changing. Right now, this is a buy, but it's been a sell, it's been a strong sell, and vice versa. And even when you have two currencies that are in the same, like the European session in the same session, they should pretty much be along that same way. And so this just really shows that we have some instability in the market. So you got to trust your analysis, but you also have to trust the fact that we are sitting here upon some major news that is happening tomorrow. We just finished our class, and as we look at our class, we were only on there for a short amount of time because I'm not taking any trades. We're not doing any trades, right? We're not doing any of that until after the election. And when you look at it, you can see that you have the same thing here, right? Our pivot boxes, they've actually moved. When you're looking at what we are, we're kind of bouncing off of here. If I can break this down, but I want to kind of come to the strength of the US dollar. You can definitely see that it's up and down and up and down. And that's what we're looking at right up in this area. The market even opened with some significant gaps. When you look at it, the market opened with some significant gaps, and that's with the anticipation of what's happening tomorrow, the election. And so we're talking about the strength. The dollar was rising, and then all of a sudden it opened with gaps in the market, and all your currencies should have also had gaps. Okay. So guys, don't try to trade on your own. All right. It's great to try to be on your own, but it's also better when you're actually live and you can actually trade with the community. Reach out, message me. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock arms together and we're gonna trade. And I know Wednesday I'm doing a of election update to really kind of talk about it, but it's gonna go one way or the other. I'm not gonna give you the insight of what they got on our call. You have to be enrolled to get some of those key things that you're looking for. They're prepared, they're ready. We're excited about what's to come. And once again, we don't trade for who we want to win the election. We trade from understanding how the election and how politics, how news impacts the market. So join us, right? Message me, reach out, and let's just print money together. Because what do traders do? Traders trade. And it's always better to be locked arms with somebody, connected with someone, so you could truly understand and navigate exactly how this market moves. All right. Let's win together. TMD, love you, and I'm out.